happen if you turn off the transmitter? Let's see. Okay, what happened if we turn off the transmitter? There you go. Shuts off. Just to see. Alright. Phone off. Just to see what's gonna happen. Alright. So I got it right there. Let's go ahead and see. That's where I actually landed at. My phone is off. See? Perfect. And it lands right there. See that, guys? I don't know what you guys talking about precision. This is an extreme wind. Look at it. That's where I actually landed at. It's okay. You see? Right there. Alright. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the transmitter. Oh, you guys saw the lightning? Connected back on. See the light? Connected. Let's go back again. See? Right there. I mean, what else do you want? This is extreme wind, guys. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and again, if you want to go ahead and land it, you can just go ahead and land it in your face. Listen, if you want to go ahead and land this, the wind is blowing this direction. Alright, like I said, do not catch in the back. You want to catch in the front, but you don't want to catch it right here. You want to catch it up here, because if something happened, you're just gonna go that direction. And again, look at that. So yeah, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And right now I'm in extreme wind for you guys, and this guy did it. Woo.